Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking and sharing my heart here at Sheiko Elementary School, part of the West Bloomfield School District. Got to meet all the Sheiko Sharks today, grades 3 through 5. And the main focus of the talk today was all on diversity, differences on the outside and on the inside, but that we appreciate everything, right? No matter how that person's born, how they walk, talk, think, hear, see, whatever it is, skin color, but also on the inside, things that we're good at, things that we're not good at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, that we respect and honor all of that, no matter who it is. And like the shirt I had on today said, need human kindness, that we choose to show that human kindness and that the peace does start within the heart, just like the peace sign here. But I love their, what they really truly stand for here, and that's to create a safe, respectful, and responsible environment for all their students and staff and all the students and youth that got to share their hearts with me today. It was a true honor just because they told me stories of courage. I got to actually talk to members of the anti-bullying club, the ABC club here at the school, and they told me about their vision, and we kind of shared thoughts and brainstormed together ways that they can keep that kindness spark alive and hopefully include other people as well throughout the process. But just such an incredible day to understand that in a world where we can be anything, we can always first and foremost choose to be kind. Whether it was the examples that I shared about dogs and the unconditional love that they show, or stories of students that were born with a slight physical deformity, that there were still people that chose to stand up for what's right, to have that courage to show that strength and be the upstander and really respect that diversity and honor who that person was. So it was great to meet all you guys today. Never forget that you're all true miracles, like the M in all of our poems, right? W upside down for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we just continue to hopefully be the light to other people's hearts. And I guess just choose to shine. So thank you so much. It was great to see you. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.